はい、皆さんおはようございます。元気ですか？はい。So today is A1 grammar writing. It's very basic one today. Okay, so today is it is something and it is not something. And it is also something. Let's see. For example, very basic A1 grammar. So 私は学生です。I am a student. And 私は学生じゃないです。OK、私は学生です。私は学生じゃないです。This じゃないです。You can change. じゃありません。I will explain to you everything later, okay? Or ではありません。And in the end, you can say 私も学生です。Very basic, it's very important. Okay, so explain. 私 I am 学生です。Student 私は学生です。です You know, it is for polite way. 私は学生です。私は I am 学生 Again, this is student. Okay. じゃないです。This is today I wanted to explain. じゃないです is not. So we don't say it is not a student. We say it is student not. Okay. Weird grammar, but yeah, that's the Japanese. 私は学生じゃないです。I am student not. Okay, not. You are not student. じゃありません。This is more polite. Okay, more polite. And super polite is this ではありません。You know, that's Japanese culture. We have so many ways to speak. Polite, casual, super polite, super polite. Okay, so 私は学生じゃないです。私は学生じゃありません。私は学生ではありません。It's everything. I am not a student.But this grammar you can use, for example, this is not my phone. これは私の携帯じゃないです。This is not my phone. Or, this is not my Japanese book. これは私の日本語の本じゃありません。You can use so many ways. It is not something means. Okay, then this is in the end. 私も学生です。も is also. So somebody said,I am a student. Me too. 私も学生です。Okay. So, how was it? This is so important, very basic, but if you mistake, it's a huge mistake. So, let's learn. はい、well done. お疲れ様です。
Like the wind running free.We were lost, we had to believe. No direction, no place to be. High on emotions, just you and me. So like